Flush. Flush. Flush.
Give me your poopy and your pee-pee.
All right, give me a second. Damn. Oh, there it goes. All right, I'm doing that thing. Look, Ma, I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna suck off a toilet. Suck a butt on a toilet. Instruction manual. It's for the garbage. Dry rub. Dry rub your back. Dry rub your back. 'Cause it's so gross and oily. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. Nice. Which side is the suck? This has got to be the sucking side, right? Gonna suck in and blow out. Suck it and blow it. Off, take out the shit, put the thing back on. Oh, there's a handle somewhere? Oh, yeah, whatever. What the fuck? Well, that's dumb. Oh, this is for... What is this for? Dry? This is for dry shit? This is for wet shit? 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 It's like putting a condom on an elephant. Like that? How far up do you do it? Okay, good enough, whatever. Well, I don't know what you can see from over here. What can you see from over here? You can see that you're not tall enough, dick. Mm-hmm. If I put your ass up here, it's a terrible idea. Wee. Nice, sexy toilet view. Yeah, the water should be off to this fucker. Flush it out. Alright. And this is where the wetback comes in handy. All I need is an electrical plug. Alright, testing. What in the absolute fuck? What? Fucking awesome. Oh, okay, this is fucking dumb already. Oh, I'm an idiot. Look, Ma, I'm an idiot. Nope, it's me. I'm the problem. I plugged it into a surge protector strip that's not turned on. Oh, boy. And they say I'm a genius. Now let's try it. Alrighty. Suck away, baby. I guess if I put the handle on, it'll make it easier to carry. Ah, shit. Even better. Okay. Let's get to sucking. Alright. That is awesome. Way easier than a sponge. Ow. Fuck you. And in you go. Fantastic. Alright, we're off to a great start. Now, how the fuck am I gonna get underneath here? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Righty tighty, lefty poopy. There we go. I feel like you would want to come off. Shit, this is a tight spot. This is stupid. Tools, 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 tools. What size are you here? Big and dumb. All right. Easy sleazy. Fan-fucking-tastic. Shit, dick. Oh, now you're gonna be a bitch? What the fuck? Why are you... Oh, how is that possible? Oh. Ah, dang. Tighter than a nun on Christmas. And voila. Fuck. Oh my god, how am I gonna get this? Very fucking carefully. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I should just leave this on. Fuck you. There's no room to work here. There's absolutely no fucking way I can do this. Excellent. Shit. Oh, hell.
Pro tip, don't do this over the toilet.
Fuck. No! No! Oh, you fucking dick. I needed that piece. You gotta be fucking kidding me. It went in my pocket. Oh, that's amazing. I'm gonna fucking do this somehow. I'm not gonna lose my temper and freak out. You go there. Hugo Chavez. This is a catastrophe. Ah, you fucking dick. I feel like I could. If I use my bendy thing. Oh god. This is gonna be a mistake. I were a rich man. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Schlobby, blobby, blah. Fuck you. Okay. You gotta just ease into it. Yes, you little fucker. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I lost a fucking screw? No, I never put the screw in. What the fuck was I trying to screw just then? Could have just done this to start with. But I'm an idiot. Flash.
Give me your poopy and your pee-pee.
All right, give me a second. Damn. How are we looking? How's that view? Perfect. Gross. I'm gonna break something, aren't I? Okay. Deep breath. Deep. Fuck. This thing is fucked. That's how you do it. Alright, this video is getting stupid. I'm gonna take a break from recording. Flash.
Give me your poopy and your pee-pee.
Alright, give me a second. Damn. Oh, God.